This is actually kind of a nice build, I think. It's the WildFire Elemental Hammer build. This one is these stats, and this one is from... wait. Okay, here's how it's actually supposed to look like. And I guess that the most like defining features of this build is here: action skill cooldown, ability damage, and here more cooldown, and elemental damage. This hammer is the one that is supposed to be used. Very specifically this one, because it has the lowest cooldown and highest damage and the most functional for this build. So the items that should be used for this is elemental damage, and most important is action skill cooldown rate. That is the most important one, and ability damage, of course. So the skill, hero skills is attunement, most important, wisdom, secondly most important, the elemental damage part, and then constitution just for some, just because there's nothing more to use. Okay, I'm just gonna show how this actually looks like when I play this game. Okay, let's see. So basically it's just supposed to be throwing your hammer and... oh wait, I didn't actually do the full damage there. Okay, but as you see, it shouldn't be like a too big of a cooldown. Oh wait, I'm really failing this throw. If I'm doing it correctly, they should just die in one hit now actually. There. So as you can see, I can kind of like throw it pretty often. And when I do it does some good damage. Also, what I forgot to mention is this one down here. When I use my action skill, I actually do a lot more damage thanks to this Storm Smith here. 4 bolts, which does a lot of damage. So I should be able to just go around and use this hammer all the time if I want to, but yeah. That's how the build actually works. It's a bit of a interesting thing, I think, to just walk around throwing your hammer all the time, like Thor. See there, if I spam it quickly, I do more damage, I think. I think it's better to just spam the hammer instead of soaking them in the damage of the hammer. Just like spamming the damage and getting direct, quick damage. Yes, that's the build.